What if I told you that the best way to leave an inheritance to your children isn't by selling your house? Here's how you can use your house to build a long-lasting legacy and guarantee a bright future for your family using this simple re-hack that anyone can replicate. Hi! Some people call my team Art at Star Welcome because my friend Art has built a new revolutionary real estate system to show you how you can easily make 1,000 to 1,500 per month with real estate. Click now and he will show you the best way to build a passive income using the capital in your home no matter what the state of the economy is, even if you have zero experience or have no idea where to start. You see, the problem is, most hardworking homeowners don't know where the best place is to invest their money, or if now is a good time to sell their house or not. This is why they often make the wrong decision or don't make any decision at all. Now imagine clicking the link below and use this new system and you could be earning money as soon as next week. You're literally sitting on a gold mine. You see, the biggest reason I see homeowners fail to achieve consistent and predictable passive income is not from lack of effort, despite what the real estate gurus might be telling you. Instead, it's because of what traditional real estate systems lack is the building of relationships needed to succeed. Now, if you're watching this video thinking to yourself, this sounds too good to be true. Look, I get it. I can totally understand being skeptical, which is why if you click on this ad right now, Art will give you a free training where he walks you step by step through the framework used to build the income success that you seek. Stop the struggle and create the passive income you've always dreamt of. Click this ad now and let Art show you how. I promise you, you will not be disappointed.